Before I start the announcement, Mr. Puzzles is finally here, so I'm gonna set him free. There he is. So, I figured that I should probably make some of those how to raise your plushie videos that people have been making for a while. I mean, people more often than not make it on Murder Drones, but, you know, I feel like it would be fun with everyone. So here's what I'm gonna do differently. A lot of Murder Drones plush tubers have already gone that route, so you know what? I'm gonna do a how to raise every plushie Murder Drones all at once. I know I said I wasn't gonna become a plush tuber, but you know what? Why not? I'm also gonna make how to raise your plushie videos on how to raise these guys too. I need to make more content with my plushies. I haven't been doing that a lot lately, and my creativity is devoid of anything else. So, you know what? That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have fun making videos because I haven't had that for a while now, actually. So, I'll see when that happens. It's been Double Agent, over and out.